Hi there. Today, check out the ALLZONE adjustable over-the-toilet storage cabinet, a smart solution for small bathrooms. This tension-mounted organizer fits toilets between 92 and 116 inches, tall without drilling or plumbing hassle. It features 3 adjustable shelves, so you can customize the height to avoid bumping your head. The cabinet provides ample space for toiletries, towels, and essentials while saving floor space behind your toilet. Installation is simple with numbered parts and easy tightening knobs, plus no ladder is needed. Just make sure to align shelves properly for stability and follow tips for pole installation. Transform your bathroom with this sleek, space-saving organizer that keeps everything neat and accessible. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.